Welcome to the Marty South YouTube channel. If you've got a Mexican food truck, then keep your eyes peeled on this video today because I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the Marty South platform to build a website for your business. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video and you aren't quite familiar with the Marty South service as yet, Marty South is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So all you need to do is click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. Now, once you join the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top very quickly and I'm going to search for my markets, Mexican food truck. There is an option for a Mexican restaurant as well, but for this one, it's a food truck specifically. So I'm going to go ahead and select that option. Great, let's tell Marty Sats a few basic details about our Mexican food truck so it can generate a simple website. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. I'm going to leave the type of business as restaurants. I can put in my various hours and my menu, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that one and move along. Great. How can our customers get in touch with us? I'm going to go ahead and put in my phone number as well as my email address and click continue. Great. Where is our food truck located? I know sometimes food trucks are quite mobile, but sometimes they do have a location. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my street address as well as my postal code and move along. Great. What time does our food truck open on a Monday? I'm going to say we open from 10 a.m. till 7 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and a Sunday. We open 7 days a week for all your Mexican food cravings. Great, let's do a quick review, make sure everything's in order, but everything looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to move along. If you want to make any last minute changes, click on update location or hours, and look at that. Marty Sites has literally generated a simple website for my Mexican food truck in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you. We've pre-selected all the images as well, all really high quality and completely free to use. However, if you've got your own images, which I'm sure you do, really awesome pictures of all the amazing food you're serving up and your food truck in action, you can upload them. It's super simple. Content as well can be amended. We just wrote this as a guideline for you. We wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your Mexican food truck. So today I'm going to be walking you through each section from the top to the bottom so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works and how simple it is to use. You don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional either to help you out with this. So let's get cracking. I'm first going to head over to update section at the top, start from the top and make my way through. And the first thing I want to do is check this box. So my email address is displayed on my website on the top right hand corner next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way. We've already put in our physical location. And the great thing about that location is when you click on it, your clients will automatically be taken to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's head over to update social links. Over here, we can put in the various social media platforms, that our food truck is active on. Icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner next to that email address and at the bottom over there. So your customers can easily give you a follow, leave you some feedback of all your delicious meals on social media platforms, and get some engagement going. Let's move on. Over here, I'm going to head over to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet, that's okay. Marty Sites will literally just display your name and it still looks really great and professional. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and upload my Marty Sites logo for now. If you don't have a logo, I do recommend you check out canva.com. You'll find some free great options on there. Our logo has now been updated. We can make it bigger and smaller to suit our needs, but I'm happy with that sizing, so now I'm going to move along. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we've pre-selected all the colors for you just as a standard color. However, maybe your food truck, your business cards, your menus have a completely different color to this royal blue. You can change it. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner and go through the various different color palettes available for you to use. So I want something quite that stands out quite a lot because Mexican bright colors is what I'm envisioning for my um, logo and stuff like that. So let's see which ones I can work with. I actually might go ahead and select that one. That actually looks really great, very bold and bright. I can change it at a later stage. Now over here, I'm going to head over to update section and head to update image. Now if you've got your own images, browse your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds of images to choose from. Mighty Sites will automatically search for Mexican food truck, but I do recommend that you play around with the terms a little bit and just see what pops up. So I'm going to change it to Mexican food and see what delicious pictures are available for me to use. Do, as I said, play around with the terms a little bit and just see what pops up. So I'm not finding any suitable images, so I'm going to be very more specific here and I'm going to search for taco, which is very Mexican. That looks pretty good and that looks very Mexican food truck to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload that and that looks actually delicious. It's actually making me really hungry right now. I'm now going to head over to update contents. Over here, I can change the title and subtitles to suit my needs. Maybe you don't offer online ordering systems, so you don't want it to say order online. Let's go ahead and change that to view our menu so people can have a look at your menu before they stop by. Now, you can link to another website. That's if you have an online ordering system, perhaps third party. Otherwise, you can link to an action like click to call directions or click to email or upload a PDF file, which I'm going to go ahead and do. I'm going to go ahead and upload my Mighty menu with all my great Mexican options so my customers can view it before they stop by. Awesome. That has been amended. So when our customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to my menu that I've just uploaded. Over here again, another great spot for a high quality image. Go ahead and head over to update section. Browse your device, otherwise search through the photo library. So I'm going to go ahead and search for burrito. I think that's pretty Mexican as well. And I'm going to go ahead and upload one of these images. Let's go ahead with that one. All of them look very delicious. I'm quite spoiled for choice here. Let's go ahead and save it and have a look. That actually looks amazing. Let's move on. Now over here, pre-written content button can link to various places. If you need to make changes, all you need to do is click on update section and work your magic. We've now made our way into the About Us section over here. You can put a little bit more details of how your Mexican food truck came to be, how you got into this industry. Maybe it's been passed down a business from generation to generation, and you're serving up all family recipes in your Mexican food truck. Or maybe it's just a side hustle. Go ahead and put all the details over here so your customers know a little bit about your background, your story, and how you came to be. They'd love to read it. If you need to make any changes to your phone number, how or your physical location, all you need to do is click on update section over here and make the necessary changes. So look at that. We've literally gone through a website, made changes, launched a website, gone through the images, content for our Mexican food truck in not even 10 minutes. It was such a breeze. I didn't need to be super tech savvy. I didn't need to hire a professional to help me with this either. It really was super simple and such a breeze. It's only going to cost me $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card needed like most other online services. When you want to try the service out, they ask you to put your credit card details in. No, not with Mighty Sites. You don't need to put your credit card details in, so do give it a bash. Now, if you have a custom domain, all you need to do is click on your connect your domain. Say I already have a domain and go through the various steps to link that domain. If you're struggling, there actually is a blog post over on our website, www.mightysauce.com. Head over to the blog. You'll also find some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. Lots of helpful articles, as you can see, to promote your business in the community, promote your business on social media platforms and online. Do check it out. We update the blog weekly with lots of helpful tips. Now, if you don't have a domain yet, we're really excited to let you know you can now purchase your domain through the Mighty Sites platform. We've just introduced the feature and we're super excited about it. We just wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your small business. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any suggestions, any features you'd like to see in future on the Mighty Sites platform, all you need to do is comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback, and I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.